Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Fashion is a dream here, aka Matilda, and today we're going to be trying some new makeup. So I don't exactly have enough funds to go and buy a full face of new makeup, but I have been picking up some bits and bobs. Wow, and my door is opening itself. I have been picking up some bits and bobs, so I do have some new makeup. Not really a lot, but we're gonna make this trying some new makeup and having fun while at it video. If you want to watch this video that you obviously clicked on, please continue watching. I haven't exactly bought a new primer, so I'm going to use my Black Radiance True Complexion Primer, which I always use in all my tutorials. Nothing new here. I actually don't have a lot of new, guys, I got a headband. Honestly, my makeup was just getting everywhere and it was so annoying. Just trying to keep hair out of my makeup and makeup out of my hair, so I just got a headband. And in case anyone's wondering, I got this one from Super Cosmetics. No, I got this from Ibrahim's in town for like 60 shillings, which is quite a deal. And I like it, but it's a bit tight. But for foundation today, I'm going to be using my favorite, the L'Oreal True Match. This is in Cappuccino, and I'm gonna try not to go overboard with this. Whoa. I literally said that as a whole bottle just went on my hand. So I'm going to put this all over. So this foundation I've been using for quite a long time, and I absolutely love it. I just feel like it looks so much like your skin if you go light with your coverage, and it gets like it's buildable coverage, which I love. Me some full coverage. If you've been watching my tutorials, this is nothing new. So I actually didn't set my primer today, mostly because I want more of a dewy kind of look today. I don't know, I'm just feeling like I want to glow. This Nairobi cold just has me feeling some type of way, and I just want to feel like I'm glowing, you know, even if I'm not. Trying our first new product of this makeup tutorial, we're going to be trying the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and this is in Nutmeg, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Nutmeg or Muscade. I don't speak French or Spanish or whatever that is. And I like that it has a wand. There's a hair on it. Wow, that's weird. That is really weird. Anyway, so I'm hoping this is not exactly a shade that's way too light, so I'm going to use this to highlight my face. So for most of my concealers, which is probably the Amand, which is what I use in all my tutorials, it has, whoa, I can't even talk, it has more of a yellow undertone, and for this one it has more of a peachy undertone, which is weird. It looks more like a corrector if you ask me. Is this a corrector? Am I using a corrector as a concealer? But it says concealer, so let's just see. It has a very peachy undertone, I can see that. The coverage looks quite nice, but that undertone vibe is just like weird. I'm so used to yellow undertoned concealers, such that this feels different. There's a review on NYX and they're like, yeah, this is definitely more orange, and I do see it. Also guys, this sponge, I think I've used it in one tutorial. I just recently opened it, and my goodness, it's the softest thing I've ever had. I tried looking for a link online, but I can't find one. It's by Studio 35 Beauty, and if I do find the link, I'm gonna put it in the description bar. But I got this at Walgreens while in the US, and I'm just now opening it, and I wish I'd opened it sooner because it's amazing, honestly. So with that concealer, I just feel it's like my skin. It's like my skin, maybe a tad bit lighter, but it's not a stretch from my skin tone, which is good. I mean, you don't want to really go like 10 shades lighter when highlighting, so I'm not really mad. So I promised myself at the beginning of this tutorial that I would not use the word basically. I'm doing well, because a lot of people did comment in my nail video and the nail video and the video after that I use basically a lot, and I do, and I'm gonna stop because it's annoying, I know. So the blendability of this concealer, I definitely think it blended quite well. The coverage is medium. I wouldn't say it's light, but it's medium. You can still see them bags. It looks very natural, but I'm pretty sure you can build this up. But I'm not looking for a really caked on face today. I'm just looking to be a bit natural-ish today. So I was afraid it was looking a bit ashy, but it's not. It's not settling in my creases, which is good. This has blended beautifully. I am shocked. I am shocked. I got this concealer from Palm Cosmetics on Instagram, and I saw it because I just saw people raving about it. And now I see why. Like, this is amazing. This is beautiful. Now I'm going to set with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Taking my powder, I'm just dabbing off the excess and using the remainder on my beauty blender. I'm just pushing that into my skin. This way you just don't have too much on your skin and end up wasting it. So I do like to go with a bit more powder on my top lip, mostly because I just tend to get a lot of foundation cracking and concealer as well. So I like setting it just to lengthen the duration that I have my products on. Now whoa, the finish of that concealer though. Snap! She really looking good and whatever. I'm going to take my Sleek Content Highlight Kit. This is in dark, and I'm just going to contour my face just a little bit. I'm not looking to be too snatched today. I'm just gonna add a bit of contour and snatch and definition to my face because I'm looking a bit flat right now. Before doing anything else, I'm just gonna make that contour very defined. So taking some Sacha Buttercup powder on my damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna sharpen everything. Yeah, so let's just add a bit of definition to my eyes. I'm going to take my xoxo palette and I'm going to use this shade. People say it's brown. I think it's a burnt orange, kind of brownish orange. I feel like it definitely has an orange undertone to it, but I'm going to take this and place it on my crease, and that's it for shadow today. So what this does, it just adds a bit of definition to your eye without really doing much. So it's very subtle, but it's still very boom, 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 pow. The next new product I'm trying is this Wet n Wild Mega Eyes Cream Liner. And I got this as a gift actually from Palm Cosmetics, which was nice of them. But let's see. So it comes with a brush. Oh, that's cute. That's very cute. And it also comes in this spaceship. It comes in the shape of a spaceship, which is so cool. Like, my goodness. So taking off the seal, she's new. So, ooh, what consistency? What? So this is so this just fell out of the eyeliner pot, and I'm wondering what this is. What is this? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing that just fell out, which I'm assuming is the liner, and I'm just gonna rub like my brush against it. I don't think this is even gonna work. Is this why they gave it to me for free? Because it's not working. So I'm just gonna try. Yep, that's very, very dry. So I for sure don't think that this gel comes like this. The one I'm using is very dry. This is supposed to be brand new, guys, but it feels very dry. I'm barely getting any product, as you can see. I don't understand. Why would they give me something like this? I mean, then don't, Palm Cosmetics. This was not cool. So the eyeliner is supposed to be a cream liner, and I'm definitely getting the consistency of a cream liner, but it's a bit dry. That was really difficult to do, and eyeliner is not that hard if you have the right products. So for me, yeah, for now that was a hard pass. It was really, really difficult. My phone, whoa. Okay, I'm gonna keep the brush though because she's cute. So okay. Okay, so our contour has to be snatched by this point, so I'm just going to dust off my powder. The next new product I'm going to be trying is the Lash Sensational Lash Multiplying Mascara. This is from Maybelline, and I did see Jordan Lipscombe praise this mascara, and I love her. She's amazing, so I thought I should get some for myself, and it was about £7, if I'm not wrong, which is about roughly 800 to 900 shillings. You do the math, but it's quite affordable. So if it does what it does, if you do what it do, this is gonna be a new favorite. So, oh, you guys, the wand is a bit curved, which is I'm likey. So let's try this. So I did get some liner on my lashes, but by Jove, does that look good. Oh, this is a banger. This is definitely a banger. I am liking the wand. It just gets every single bit of your lash without really overpowering everything. So, whoa. You guys, I need to zoom you in. So I'm up close, you guys, and look at the difference. This is the one with mascara. This has no mascara. And even my bottom lashes look like they have something going on. So, whoa, wowzer. So I'm very impressed. So do you see a difference between these two eyes?
This one's better.
This one?
Yeah.
The lashes, the eyeliner.
The lashes.
Oh! So this mascara is a banger, guys. Definitely get it. That was my brother.
Wow.
Thank you! So the last and final new product we're going to be trying today is this NYX Matte Finish Matte Setting Spray. And I've heard nothing but good things about this spray. Apparently it's amazing. And it was only 700 shillings, which was amazing, online. Oh, that has a smell, but it's subtle. Did it make me matte? Did it? Ooh, it did get rid of that powdery look. I think I'm gonna add a bit more. You can never have too much setting spray. Oh, that feels very hydrating. Oh, it feels really good. I don't even know what I'm looking for, but that feels amazing. We've now come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As for the products, I think I'm going to be using everything except the liner. The liner was a massive fail for me. That was the only product that didn't work for me. Other than that, the other ones, girl, are you seeing this face? I mean, I ain't even lying to y'all. The concealer was beautiful. The setting spray just merged everything together and got rid of that powdery look. The mascara was amazing. And I don't even remember the other products, but yeah, I am happy. I'm a happy girl. It's gonna be a good day. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more like this, kindly let me know. Your command is my wish. Your wish is my wow. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Hopefully I see you in my next upload. Until then, bye. Woo!